Hey everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can see an unsent or a deleted message on WhatsApp. So in order to see this message we need to rely on a third party app, and that's what exactly I'm gonna show you in this video with a step-by-step tutorial. So stick to the very end of the video, and at the end you will see that how you can see these kind of messages. So first of all, go to the Play Store and type here NotiSave. So just quickly install this app. So as you can see that the app has just been installed, so just click on open app, and we need to do some settings over here. So stick till the end of the video and I will show you that exactly how you can do this. So just click on next, again click on next, and click on allow, and now just click on next, and here you can see that the Noti Save app over here. Just click on allow again and click on allow. Now the app has been allowed. Click on allow again. Now the NotiSave app has just been installed. So once you install the app and unblock the notification, then let me just quickly send a message and delete it from there, so you can see that whether this app works or not. So let me again go to the WhatsApp and let me quickly send a message, which is hi. As you can see that the message is delivered to me. Let me just quickly delete this message. Now you can see that the message has been deleted, and this message was sent at 1:23 p.m. So let me just quickly go to the NotiSave app, and from here just click on the WhatsApp, and now you can see that here is a message as hi, and that is the same message that I just deleted. So that's how you can see an unsent or deleted message on WhatsApp. Similarly, if you want to see how you can check an unsent or deleted message on Facebook Messenger, I have already created a video on that. I will leave a link to that video in the description box or in the comment section, so you can just go and check that out as well. So I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.